Good day, my name is Robert Farrell. A few months back, I posted a video on this group saying that I'm in development of all these great videos for UpViral, Connecto, and Espresso Facebook. Now, I'm near completion. I apologize, but part of my delay is for those of you that don't know me, I have this voice affliction, and I thought that my voice would recover many months ago, but I had an incident where I had to go back for other treatment. So for those of you that don't know this, I have the same voice affliction that Robert F. Kennedy Jr., Shania Twain, and a few others have. It's neurological. It really sucks. Since the past 35 years of my life have come down to teaching, it really kind of sucks when you can't speak properly. So it took me a while to get these videos put back together. So what I want to share with you is that if you're still interested in doing this video series, let me just give you a walkthrough. Now, the videos are still not complete. I'll have all the videos edited and fully completed by the 15th of April or sooner. So if you're interested in getting this video series, please respond or write a comment in the Facebook ad of Connecto. So let me walk you through this. Now, what I've done here is I developed a system that worked with WordPress. Now, you might say, well, why do I want to watch videos in WordPress? Well, if you know anything about working online, the best platform for earning online and developing online is definitely WordPress. It's open source. Some of the platforms are free. So let me just take you step by step as to what I've accomplished here. So, on the back end, this is simply a WordPress training plugin. Now, here's what's really exciting about my plugin and my training that separates me from anything else out there like YouTube or Udemy, et cetera, et cetera. How can I best say this? My production techniques are things that I share based on the same exact techniques I use. More importantly, it's a true learning environment. So what do I mean by that? Well, if you come down here to different categories, so I have different categories for different videos. Now, what's really nice about this is you can actually take a note right on the actual video, so you don't have to go grab a pen and paper. So another advantage is you can also come up here, you can search a video by topic, you can also bookmark a video. You bookmark a video simply by clicking right there. So if I wanted to bookmark these 2-3 videos, I simply click right there and that bookmarks them. So if you want to create a note on something, you simply write a note here. You don't have to save anything. Now, here's the cool, exciting part. All my videos are short, sweet, to the point, topic-based. You don't have to go and pull your hair out and search through different types of videos. As an example, here's my getting started video for my back-end WordPress affiliate website masterclass. Now, if you come down here, I have affiliate plugins for Amazon. Once you go to that topic, and have different subcategories. So here's all the subcategories for all my Amazon affiliate, Walmart affiliate plugins. Now, if you get down here, I have Facebook tutorials. Facebook tutorials on subjects like building a smart Facebook page, marketing a Facebook page, retargeting essentials. Now, here's the cool part that's really going to benefit you. If you go under autoresponders, I show you how to create landing pages, et cetera, using the same techniques I use to build pages. But here's the fun part. In addition to Adobe software, now you might say, well, what does Adobe have to do with WordPress? Well, it's still a product that you want to build out your websites with graphics. After Effects videos, I have After Effects eye candy videos, et cetera. But here's something you're really going to be blown away over. I also have developed a cloud-based production techniques for different software, and my favorite software, of course, is UpViral production techniques. So I have UpViral production techniques, Connecto production techniques. Now, one of my strengths in training is a big fan of taking different software and combining them together. As an example, back in the day, going back 25 years ago when I used to teach desktop publishing, Quark, Illustrator, Photoshop. Well, those are great standalone products, but if you really want to benefit from that, you need to have to work with Quark, Express, Illustrator, and Photoshop. So what I've done here is I've combined a UpViral Connecto Power Users course that you'll have access to. So I pulled out all the stops. I use my exact techniques of how I benefit, how I use the software the correct way. This way you don't have to jump through hoops. But again, The big advantage of learning in this environment is you can take notes right on the video, you can bookmark the video, etc., etc. Now I will continue to update this video series with new techniques. So as different software comes out and different upgrades to the software come out, I'll also upgrade this. Now, since this is a WordPress plugin, as the new videos come up, you simply update the plugin, etc., etc. Okay. So these are my different topics. So I have a viral video. I have Ad Espresso tips and tricks, SpyFu tips, tricks, Canva premium tips. So this is a full one-stop shop of how to make money online using a variety of different softwares. But you're going to be totally focused and interested in the viral series. So I have a viral series, the connected series, and taking up one step at a time. So if you're interested, simply comment below this video, and when the final release is out, I will notify you. If you have any questions in the meantime, I'm here to help you every step of the way. Since my voice is actually doing a little better, I want to help you as best I can in this group. I believe strongly in a group as successful as its members. So let's share ideas, let's work together. The pie is big enough for everybody, so let's not be selfish about sharing information. I love sharing information. Again, thank you for being here. I apologize about the delay, but it really kind of sucks when you can't speak properly. I'm going to be 60 next year, and I technically retired back in 2001 when I was 42, but because of the internet, it's like a scene from The Godfather. Just when I thought I was out, they pulled me back in. I'm actually making more money now working less. I work 6 to 8 hours a week, and I'm making more money online than I did back when I had my software company, working 40, 50, 60-hour weeks and having 32 employees. So anyway, thanks again for being here. If you want to take advantage of this amazing system, this is one-stop shop. Look at all the different topics in here. I go through MailChimp, GetResponse. I show you how to squeeze the sponge. And more importantly, I'm not a big fan of hashtags, but one of my biggest and best hashtags is hashtags working smart. So I'm going to share with you how to work smart, get it done, and just take the next step. So again, thank you for being here. My name is Robert Farrell, Carpe Diem 2018.